thread cutter right here, which is always nice. This is a straight stitch machine. You can adjust the stitch width length. Over here, it's set pretty close together right now. Uh-oh, I pulled the thread out. Just a minute. And that's probably about 6 layers of muslin right there. So you're not going to have any trouble sewing over heavy layers. It won't be a problem with this machine. Of course, you want to be sure you have the right needle in, right side. And again, when you're through, you have the thread cutter right back there. They got beautiful stitches. That's the bobbin side. I had 2 different color threads that I'm using. A bobbin, it has different color thread in it. Oh, that's the bobbin. Okay, then this is the top side. Doesn't miss a stitch. And it's set on that small stitch length right now. But now you can change your stitch width, length rather, right over here. See, it's all the way down right now to the smallest. Well, pretty small. You can really sew a small stitch on this thing. And then to go in reverse, you just flip it up like that and back down. But you'll need to loosen this screw right here if you want to change your stitch length. I just have it set to where my sewing machine mechanic set it. I haven't changed it. Just left it there. Okay, and then it's got a brand new foot pedal to it. And put a brand new foot pedal to it. So there she is. Now I have the case for, well, a case. She's sitting in a case now. She can come out of that case. She can go and set on the table. She can sit like this and sew. You can put her in a cabinet. Whatever you want to do. She's a beautiful machine. And I'm including this pamphlet with her. Of class 15 model sewing machine instruction manual. So it'll show you everything you need to know in here, all about the threading and troubleshooting and different things like that. So I'll be including that with it. And this bobbin, I don't know if I have any more bobbins. I'll have to see. So there she is. Well, I hope this video helped you with some of the functions on this generic, A class 15 sewing machine. And if you're interested in buying this machine, it's up for sale in my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. Appreciate all my viewers. Happy sewing. Bye now.